You've seen this port everywhere. Phones, laptops, headphones, controllers, all using the same tiny connector. But what exactly is USB-C? And why did every tech company suddenly switch to it? USB-C can handle power, data, video, audio, charging, and even 8K displays through a single reversible plug. It's not just a port, it's an entire communication system. Before USB-C, the world was a mess of cables: USB-A, micro USB, mini USB, barrel chargers. Every device had its own shape. You couldn't plug things in without flipping, forcing, or guessing. Manufacturers hated it, consumers hated it, and technology had outgrown the old ports. Engineers needed one universal connector that could finally replace everything. Older ports had four big issues. Number one, they were directional. USB-A only worked one way, wrong 50% of the time. Number two, slow and limited. Old micro USB couldn't handle high-speed data or high-power charging. Number three, too fragile. Pins bent, cables snapped, ports loosened over time. Number four, couldn't carry video. You still needed HDMI or DisplayPort separately. People wanted one cable that could do it all. Let's discuss why USB-C was invented. USB-C looks simple, but its design is brilliantly engineered and provides solution like 1. Reversible design, flips either way, no wrong direction. 2. 24 hidden pins, enough to carry data, power, video, and audio simultaneously. 3. Super compact, small enough for phones, powerful enough for laptops. 4. Fast data, up to 40 gigabits per second depending on the standard. 5. 240 W power delivery, enough to charge gaming laptops and monitors. 6. Video output, supports 4K and 8K displays through the same port. It's not just a port, it's a Swiss Army connector. People love it because USB-C gives a feeling of confidence. You can't plug it wrong. Simplicity, one cable solves everything. Speed, fast charging equal to instant satisfaction. Minimalism, fewer ports equal to cleaner design. Consumers prefer tech that feels effortless and universal. USB-C fits that psychology perfectly. Today, USB-C is everywhere because laws demanded it. The EU pushed for one universal charger to reduce e-waste. Apple switched. Once the iPhone adopted USB-C, the whole industry standardized. Manufacturing became cheaper. One port equal to lower costs across all devices. Accessories exploded. Monitors, docks, SSDs, even cars now use USB-C. USB-C became the global tech language. So the next time you plug in that tiny oval port, remember, USB-C isn't popular by accident. It's the result of decades of failures, engineering breakthroughs, and a global push for one perfect connector. One cable, one port, one world standard solution.